What's up, everyone? Got this new segment for you guys. We're going to start doing recipes and stuff like that. The first one up is my Mustard Mayhem barbecue sauce. It's really good for pretzels, chicken wings, stuff like that. The Super Bowl Sunday, I'm going to be trying it on a hot dog for the first time, so that's something to look forward to. But it's real quick, real easy. The only thing you got to do is let it sit overnight. So the first thing it takes is 3 cups of mustard. So let's get that in there. Just 2 cups. You can also use Dijon mustard. I've used Dijon mustard before. I just prefer yellow mustard because that's what, when I originally came up with the recipe, that's what I had in mind for it. Alright. And there is 3 cups of mustard. 3 cups of mustard. Next thing you need is 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Get that in there. 1 cup of molasses. You can use just honey. The recipe also calls for honey. You can just use honey, or you can just use molasses. I like using molasses as like a tribute to my grandpa, because one of my favorite recipes that he made took molasses. And it gives everything an old world taste, because people don't really use molasses that much anymore in sauces. They'll just rather use honey. Alright. So we got some molasses. Now we do 1/2 cup of honey. You can just do 1.5 cups of molasses or 1.5 cups of honey, depending on your taste. Alright. Looks like it's a little over 1/2 cup, but that's fine. No one's going to complain about the mustard sauce being a little sweeter than normal. Alright. Next up, you want 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. It can be light or dark, depending on your preference. I always use light, just because I prefer light. Just 2 tablespoons of that. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of ketchup. There's 1. There's 2. And then there's 3. Next up is 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon black pepper. We got a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder. And now comes the easiest bit. All you got to do is put it in there, lock it in place, and set it on low to medium for about a minute. Make sure everything, maybe 2 minutes, make sure everything's well incorporated. So we're going to start blending it. And you want to scrape the sides with a rubber spatula and all that. Make sure you get all the ingredients incorporated together. sides. Make sure to get the bottom so you know everything's brought up, because in this KitchenAid mixer it likes to fake you out a lot. You see there's a lot of molasses at the bottom, so let's just mix that all up real good. Set that to mix for about another 30 seconds or so. Alright, and as soon as you're done wiping up whatever mess you had made, it should be fully incorporated and mixed together. And then this is the final product. Let's get it into the light. Real good on chicken wings. Really good with dipping pretzels in. Like I said, I'm going to try it on a coney dog this Super Bowl Sunday, see how that is. I'll let you guys know how that turns out. But let me pour it into a container so you get a good look at it. It's all mixed together. You just want to pour it into a container. I'll get all the rest of that. But you just pour it into that container. You throw it into the fridge. And you just let it sit overnight. That is Hurm1t's Mustard Mayhem barbecue sauce. Hope you guys enjoy. It is grade A. Let me know what you think. Drop it into the comments. Hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. If you have a recipe that's something similar, you let me know. I'm down to swap recipes all the time. Something else, you can add a little bit of liquid smoke to this. If you add some liquid smoke, it goes really good as like a pub burger with some beer cheese or something. It's just a real easy and versatile mustard sauce. If you're a fan of mustard, then I think you'll really enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. We'll catch you at the next one. Peace.